Hello, welcome back to another episode of Heat Hacks. Today we're going to be looking at how to remove the flow meters on the manifold in case they are dirty or need replaced, and this is for both models of flow meters. So these are the two types of flow meters that you would see. This is the 413 flow meter on our current manifold, or the older model, which is the 411. They have very similar procedures to remove them in case you need to clean them or replace them. The first thing to do is to close your ball valves and isolate the manifold, and then you will come and drain the pressure out of the manifold so it goes down to zero. You then just need to remove the locking cap off the top, and then for the 413, just some grips to unthread the hexagonal thread until you can do it with your hands. I can unscrew all the way, and then replace with your replacement with your hands until you can tighten with the grips. And then with the 411, it will be the very same sort of procedure. Remove the locking cap, and then with a flat spanner, you'll come here and loosen as you need until you can with your hands. Thank you for watching this episode of Heat Hacks. Check out our support details below. Head on to our website and check out our YouTube channel for other episodes of Heat Hacks.